In this video, I will show you how to lock apps on iPhone with Face ID and passcode. We are going to make use of exciting feature of the recent iOS 18 version. So make sure that your iPhone is updated with iOS 18. iOS 18 has amazing feature using which an extra layer of security can be added to your apps by letting you lock or hide them from others. Here is how to lock your iPhone apps with Face ID and passcode. First, locate the app that you wish to lock. Let's say we want to lock Instagram app. Now long press on the app icon and from the menu that pops up, just tap Require Face ID. You will get a confirmation prompt asking whether is it required Face ID for the selected app. Simply tap Require Face ID again. Now every time you try to access this app, it will need your Face ID or passcode to open. You can lock most of the apps on your iPhone, but some apps like Camera, Find My and Settings cannot be locked. So that is how you can lock apps on iPhone with Face ID and passcode. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.